Yeah, good morning. We had seen US market trending up, mainly supported by the RBI policy meeting, which indicated that the quantitative tightening which was going on earlier at around 25 billion per month will be reduced to 5 billion per month. And Fed chairman has indicated that the tariff impact on the inflation is transitory and not permanent. So, apart from that, the Fed in yesterday's Fed meeting, the rest of the things was on expected line, as interest rate was kept stable, and two interest rate cut is still an option in the coming year, which was expected earlier also. And apart from that, uh, Fed has reduced the targeted GDP growth for US from 2.1 to 1.7. And also inflation has been increased uh, by the inflation expectation has been increased to 2.8% from around 2.5%. So most of the things were online, but the additional measures on quantitative tightening easing, and also statement that this is more of a transitory tariff hike on inflation impact. So this has taken by the market as positive, and we had seen US market moving up. Apart from that, the Asian market are also showing positive trend, except China and Hong Kong, wherein the Fed has kept, wherein the People's Bank of China has kept the rate also unchanged at 3.1% for 1 year. Uh, though they had indicated that the rate cut will be an option to support the economy in future, but right now they had not taken any decision on that. So that market had seen some corrections under the tariff which has been imposed by uh, the US on China, and against that we had not seen any countermeasures in the China. So we are seeing some correction over there. Overall, commodities are also showing a mixed trend, wherein oil is up by around $0.5, whereas aluminum is flat, and copper is up by around 0.5%. Whereas iron ore is seeing decline of further 1%. Yesterday also we had seen it declining by around 1.5%. So this is mainly because of the increasing iron ore import declining by around 14% month on month, indicating that the lower demand for iron ore in China that has declined by 14% month on month. So that is getting reflected now into the prices, that iron ore prices are coming down. Steel prices remain more of a flattish. So overall, seems like the we are getting a positive clue from international market. We had seen last 2 day up move in Indian market, and that we feel can continue in today's trade in Indian market as well. And I'll request technical team to continue to take from here.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, last three trading session, we see the rally and this rally to be continued towards 50 DMA is the next immediate resistance for index, and 50 DMA comes around 22,980. And above that, we expect further rally towards 23, 140, 200 is a major resistance for index. If Nifty sustained and close above this important resistance zone, then we expect further rally to be continued. But we saw that last three trading session, we have given a good rally in index, both index, bank Nifty and Nifty also. The majorly support place around Nifty around downside 22,840, 22,770 at downside. If Nifty today managed to sustain the 50 DMA, that comes around 22,980 and close above, then we expect further rally to be continued. Bank Nifty given a good rally last two trading session and also given a downward trend line breakdown, a breakout in upside. Do we expect Bank Nifty in a positive territory, and we see some positive momentum towards 50,000 first, and above that 50,240 and then 50,500 next immediate target for Bank Nifty. Major support plays around 49,540 and below that 49,270 is important support for Bank Nifty. So we expect some positive open and remain a positive during the day in both the index. Stock specific, yesterday we saw that Concor given a good rally and we expect this rally to be continue. Hindustan Aeronautic also given a good rally and this momentum to be continue towards one to two trading session. Do we expect some positive side in Lupin also? Siemens also given a good rally yesterday session. Do we expect this for stock in positive side? Negative side, Hero Motors last two trading session trading below the important average range, and if trade below next one to two trading session, then we expect some pressure in Hero Motor also. Dabur also trading below the important support zone. So Dabur also looks negative at current level. That's it for technical derivative. I can.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you have seen that in yesterday's session, the buying was being continued and carry forward buying has been witnessed. In today's session also, we are seeing that GIFT Nifty is likely to open almost about 100 points, due to which we will see the buying will be carried forward in today's job trading session also. Currently, as per the Y position, we have seen that in yesterday's session at 22,900 and 22,800 strike put at the positions are continuously getting added on. So near to ATM strike, we are seeing that the put at the positions is getting created. On the upside, we are seeing that the Colorado position is directly getting created at 23,100 to 23,300 strike. In today's session, as we look at the overall setup from last 3 days of trading session, continuously we are seeing that Nifty is giving closing on the positive note, but 23,100 will act as an important resistance zone. Once if Nifty manages to get 23,100 clearance, then we will see next leg of buying in the market and fresh long positions will be created on the healthier front. So 23,100 will act as an important resistance zone. Once that gets a clearance, then we will see major buying will be witnessed from the overall market front, while PCR yesterday closed at the 1.20 level. PCR is trading at the healthier level. We are seeing the put at a position is trading strongly against the call right position. So currently the support for the PCR is at 1.08 level and the upside resistance is at 1.45 level. So PCRO is positive, and if we look at the overall setup of the market front, we should create new long position and can hold the new long position with the support of 22,800 level as per the weekly supportive basis. And the stock specific and sector specific front counter that looks positive in today's session will be ABB, Warren Beverages, Adani Port, and Axis Bank looks positive. So that's it from Better to Front. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Adani Enterprises has also announced JV for entering into cable and wire manufacturing. though they had not disclosed any investment amount. But like the Ultratech, wherein they announced entering into cable and wire industry, Adani Enterprises also announced the same thing. And this is likely to increase further competition into cable and wire industry, and can lead to some excessive competitions, and this can act as sentimentally negative in near term for Polycab, KEI, and Havells India. Uh, NCC has received order worth over rupees 2,000 crores yesterday, so that can act a bit positive for NCC in today's trade. Cement now, one of the article is indicating that the cement prices are being sold at bit discount to garner higher volume, which is normally happening in March, that to gain the volume, cement company sometime reduces the prices as well. So same thing is happening again, and that can act a bit negative for the cement stock in today's trade. That's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we had witnessed some profit taking in gold and silver before the Fed meet. Initially, if silver is holding 99,500 levels, then we might see some pullback till 1 lakh 1,000, 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 5, 1,500, and cautious from that side, could witness some selling again from the above levels. And gold, we can expect some pullback till 89 200 levels. So buying around 88 600 is recommended with a stop loss of 88 300. Maintain 88 300 as a strict SL, as if prices are correcting below that, then we might witness some further sell off. And same for silver, below 99 500, we can witness some selling. So watch out for the same. In metals, a mixed bag. Copper seems strong, whereas zinc and aluminum had witnessed some selling pressure. Copper, though one can initiate a buy around 910 with a stop loss of 905, and upside expected to test 917 to 920 on upside. Wherein zinc, we are witnessing a sell off, though prices are supportive at 275. So just for trading purpose, if 275 is holding, then buy with a stop loss below 274.50. Again, on upside 278, one can initiate a sell with a stop loss of 280. So could trade in the range. And in crude oil, we are expecting prices to test the resistance area at 59 10 59.20. So buying on dips around 58.20 with a stop loss of 57.50. So as long as 57.50 is holding, we might witness a pullback. All in all, in a range from 57.50 to 59.50. And natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 370 on upside. So buying is recommended around 360 with a stop loss of 350. That's it from us. Thank you very much.